this video, papakita ko kung paano magbayad ng iyong internet service provider which is si Converge ICT sa GCash account mo. So stay tuned. Hi, ako nga pala si Allen De Leon. Tandang-tanda ko pa pag nagbabayad ako ng aking internet service provider, talagang inaagahan ko kasi pipila ako. Yung pila yung parang pumipila ka sa MRT, mga ganun ba? So, talagang super hassle. But nowadays, because of the advent of technology and the internet, hindi na ganun magbayad ngayon. Kahit nasa bahay ka, using your mobile phone, pwede ka na magbayad ng bills mo sa internet. And if you're using Converge ICT as your internet service provider, pwede ka na magbayad through GCash. O, diba? So now, let's head over sa computer screen ko para mapakita ko sa'yo and we can get started. Okay, so you're ready? Let's go! So here we are, my computer screen. Magbayad na tayo ng ating internet, which is Converge, using GCash. So, click ko lang ng GCash icon. Code. Yun. Masok na kaagad. Very good. So, now, ang gagawin natin is, i-click natin yung sa may bills. Yan. Click bills. Then, hahanapin natin si Converge. So, hintay lang natin. Okay, type natin si Converge. Yan, Converge ICT. Tap natin. Okay, so yung babayaran ko sa aking internet is 1,625. Yan. And you will be charged a service fee mo. Okay lang, 10 pesos. And then ito yung ating account number. So, type ko lang yung account number, which is 13 digit yan. Of course, yung account name at saka yung email address. Okay, so na-fill upan ko na lahat. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is itatap lang natin yung next. Alright, so double check lang natin kung tama. Kailangan ma-double check natin kung tama yung account number, account name, and email address. So, if everything is okay, pati yung amount, then click lang natin yung confirm. And there you go. So, nakapag-bayad na tayo ng ating internet which is si Converge ICT. So, screenshot mo na lang to para meron kang reference or proof if ever magkaroon ng problema, at least meron kang proof of payment. O diba, ganun lang kadali magbayad ng Converge ICT Internet Service Provider using your GCash account. And speaking about GCash, kung gusto mo naman magkaroon ng GCash Visa Card, gumawa ako ng video tutorial, nandyan on screen, i-click mo lang and I'll see you there. This is Allen De Leon. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.